For example, my family find me if I'm snoring in my sleep, they say that, you were sound sleep, right? They'll say are in deep sleep and that's why you were snoring. But later I realized that it's a sign or symptoms of a disorder.
Absolutely, Nitin, and that's why it's so fascinating. There's so many myths around sleep. When people just think that they are snoring, like you mentioned, they think they are in deep sleep, whereas now we realize it's a very, very specific sign for a disease called as obstructive sleep apnea. You would have another myth where you think elderlies don't sleep much at night, their sleep is reduced, but that's not the case. So if you see in the entire animal kingdom, how sleep works is, uh, sleep is polyphasic. When I say polyphasic, people get up, do their job, then tend to rest. People get up, do their job, and then tend to rest.